Welcome. My name is Stephanie Davis, and I'm the Kindergarten Readiness Coordinator for Future Ready 5. This video will guide you through the steps of downloading the Khan Academy Kids app onto the Amazon Fire Kids tablet. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you are logged into the parent profile on the tablet. You should see this home screen and click on the App Store tile. Once you open the App Store, touch the magnifying glass in the top right corner. This will allow you to search for the Khan Academy Kids app. Select the orange Get button from this screen. Then select the green Download button from this screen. The app should start to download. Please be patient. It could take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, return to the home screen. Next, you're going to open the Amazon Kids Plus app. This is where you'll add content for your child to access the Khan Academy Kids app under their profile. Click on Add Content. Click on the Apps tab to see all of the available options, one of which should be the Khan Academy Kids app. From your child's home screen, open the Khan Academy Kids app. On this screen, select At School. Here, you will select Student. Enter the class code provided on this screen. Find your child's name on this screen and select it. Touch the picture to open your child's account. Once you arrive on this screen, your child is ready to start using the Khan Academy Kids app. I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out with any questions, and thanks again for watching.